Hello friends. You are watching Easy Learners. Welcome to my channel. In this video, you will get to know the structure of the heart in a very easy and interesting way without getting bored. We will discuss its function in the next video. So, stick to the video till the end and do subscribe for upcoming videos. Let's begin. The heart externally looks like this. It is one of the complex structures of the human body. The mean weight of the human heart is 280 to 340 grams in males and 230 to 280 grams in females. The heart is located in the front of our chest. It sits slightly behind and to the left of the sternum, breastbone. The rib cage protects the heart. Our heart is made up of 3 layers of tissue. Epicardium. The epicardium is also sometimes considered a part of the protective pericardial membrane around the heart. It helps to keep the heart lubricated and protected. Myocardium. The myocardium is the muscle of the heart. You can remember this because the root word myo comes from muscle, while cardium comes from heart. The myocardium is an incredibly strong muscle that makes up most of the heart. It is responsible for pumping blood throughout the body. Endocardium. The endocardium is a thin, protective layer on the inside of the heart. It is made of smooth, slippery endothelial cells, which prevent blood from sticking to the inside of the heart and forming deadly blood clots. These layers are surrounded by the pericardium. 4 chambers make up the heart. 2 on the left and 2 on the right. The 2 small upper chambers are the atria. The 2 larger lower chambers are the ventricles. The heart's left and right sides are separated by a wall of muscle called the septum. The right atrium receives blood low in oxygen from the body and then empties the blood into the right ventricle. The right ventricle receives deoxygenated blood from the right atrium and pumps it into the pulmonary circulation. Blood enters the right ventricle through the atrioventricular orifice through an open tricuspid valve. The left atrium's primary roles are to act as a holding chamber for blood returning from the lungs and to act as a pump to transport blood to other areas of the heart. The left ventricle is the main chamber of your heart. It is responsible for pumping oxygen-rich blood into your aorta, the largest artery in the body. Let's move to the types of blood vessels. The blood is pumped around our body through a network of blood vessels. Arteries. The arteries carry oxygen-rich blood from our heart to all parts of our body, getting smaller as they get further away from the heart. Capillaries. The capillaries connect the smallest arteries to the smallest veins and help exchange water, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and other nutrients and waste substances between the blood and the tissues around them. Veins. The veins carry blood, lacking in oxygen, back towards our heart, and get bigger as they get nearer our heart. Blood vessels are narrow depending on how much blood each part of your body requires. This action is partly controlled by hormones. Let's talk about the valves of the heart. Tricuspid valve. On the right side, tricuspid valve is located between the right atrium and the right ventricle. Pulmonary valve. On the right side, pulmonary valve is located between the right ventricle and the pulmonary artery. Mitral valve. On the left side, mitral valve is located between the left atrium and the left ventricle. Aortic valve. On the left side, aortic valve is located between the left ventricle and the aorta, the largest artery of the body, which supplies blood to different parts of the body. The human heart is a very essential organ of the human body. The heart's unique design allows it to accomplish the incredible task of circulating blood through the human body. That's enough for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. We will look at the heart's function in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Until then, bye-bye.